Okay, let's talk about how to control your wealth. First, we start at your income. You probably receive money from either your job, or maybe you're a business owner. Maybe you're retired and you receive a pension, or maybe you were lucky and you got an inheritance. In either case, monthly or bi-monthly, you receive a paycheck. Now, when you get that paycheck, there's really only four things you can do with it. You can save it, you can invest it, you can spend it, or you can give it. Well, what if, before we did those things, we first put that money into an area, a place that we control completely? Let's call this place your family bank. Now, when your money is inside your family bank, you earn dividends. You earn guaranteed growth for life. It's private. You control it. You earn tax-free growth. You can leverage it and put your money at work in more than one place at a time. You receive protection in the form of a death benefit in case you die, and from creditors in case somebody tries to sue you. Your money is protected. And there's zero market volatility. And what does that mean? That means there's no losses ever. There's also opportunity, because when you have money, opportunity will find you. So you can use that money for investments, or maybe big purchases such as a car or college tuition, maybe a wedding. Then, when you want to access that money, because it's liquid, you take it out and you can invest, spend, and give with it. Okay, we got that part. But how do we do this? Well, it's kind of like a mortgage. So if you're familiar with home ownership, you understand that you make monthly mortgage payments to the bank. With each payment, a portion of that goes towards the principal balance of the home, and you build equity. Now, when you have enough equity built up, the bank may grant you a home equity line of credit where you can access that equity and use it for whatever you want. Now, the family bank operates a lot like this, except with a few distinct advantages. One, with the family bank, you own it, which means you control it. Two, it's always guaranteed to increase, unlike your house. And three, there's no required repayments. Okay, so what product are we talking about here? Well, you may have heard of it before. It's called whole life insurance. But more specifically, we use a specially designed life insurance contract, something you've probably never seen before. How it works is you capitalize your policy with premium payments. With each premium payment, a large portion of that goes towards cash value in your policy. Once it's in there, it's locked in for good. It can never decrease in value, and it will never come out of there. Now over here, we have a separate pot of money. This money are reserves held by a mutually owned life insurance company. Now, what does mutually owned mean? Well, simply put, you own the company, not stockholders, but you, the policy owner. Now, when you want to access your cash value, you take a loan from the other pot of money and collateralize it with your cash value. No questions asked. You can spend that money however you see fit. And then you create your own repayment schedule. All the while, your cash has been sitting safely and securely inside that policy, enjoying all the benefits we discussed above. So that's it. That's how you can control your own wealth.